We'll be looking at the CoinMarketCap's FAQs. We're live on CoinMarketCap announcement. It says a full CoinMarketCap listing FAQs that all users should know. So it cannot pay to circumvent the listing criteria that pushes. So you want to know that CoinMarketCap listings are free. Please beware of spoofed emails, fake CoinMarketCap accounts, or individuals requesting for listing fees. Anyone asking you to pay for a fee or tip for getting your project listed on CoinMarketCap is not sanctioned to do so. We also do not sanction any service to assist in the listing application of any crypto asset project or exchange. There are services that purport to guarantee results, e.g. listing, trending, search. Do not fall for such scams. Their modus operandi is to spray and pray and take credit for the ones that would have been processed organically to give the illusion of a track record. To caveat if you are scammed by such services, we will not be in a position to recover your funds. So while we gladly accept donations, attempting to bribe us in the hopes of influencing the outcome of your request will not work. CoinMarketCap reserves the right to exercise its sole discretion to blacklist any project that pays for listing services or attempts to bribe CoinMarketCap employees. Bottom line, say avoid paying money to anyone to assist with CoinMarketCap listings. How do I process a listing request? So we strongly recommend getting onboarded to the SROD as your one-stop shop to access all the relevant links. This is the most efficient way to get your request reviewed, as there is a dedicated team with associated KPIs that handles this. Attempting to go through other channels will only slow down the process because you will be redirected to these forms. For the first form, we have a support CoinMarketCap request. It says new listings for ICO calendar. They add exchange. You have existing crypto asset on exchange, add market or pair. So these are the listings. You can choose to go through the one that is specific to the project you want to do. So if you already have a existing crypto assets that has been listed, you want to update info. For existing exchange, you want to update the infos and more. Then if you want to report a bug, you can also report a bug, feature request, feedback and more. Headlines by CoinMarketCap application and more. So account related questions, complaints and more. So it says end campaign is also here. So you want to check out the comments from users. Let's see some comments from its users. If there are anyone that is related to the project in general. So right now there are not much of them. There's no much comments here. So guys, feel free to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the red subscribe button so you get notified whenever we drop updates on crypto news, airdrops, listings and more. Guys, Shiraki, stay tuned for more and peace out.